Welcome back, everybody, to the VictoryXR Academy video tutorial series. Once again, my name is Danny Coyle, and today we're going to switch between different locations from within a session. So here we are in the Campus Quad. The Campus Quad is a great place to get your class started with getting oriented in VR, and it's a great place for you to practice being in VR. That's why we started here in this tutorial series. But let's say we want to go someplace new. We're going to go ahead and bring up our menu again, and we're going to go to Locations. We're going to go to the VictoryXR tab, and this time we're going to go to the Science Lab. And we're going to hit load. It fades to black. You'll see a loading screen. And just a moment. And here we are. Great. Now, when you first enter a room and you have a class of students or other attendees of your session, you're all going to appear in the same place, which is in this case right in front of this door here. So as soon as you enter, you don't want to dilly-dally too much. Once you get in there, you're going to want to get out of the way, so when other people come in, you're not going to be standing right on top of them, right? That can be a little disorienting. So you want to make sure that you and your attendees are spreading yourselves out so you're not crowding new people who are coming in. Great. Now, one thing to note when you're changing between classrooms is that any objects that you've brought into the session, those will be gone. Any recordings that you've started in that previous room, they will be automatically stopped. So we'll go into that when we get into recordings later on in this tutorial series, but that's just something to remember is when you leave a session, or not, when you leave a room to go to a new room in the middle of a session, all of the objects that you and your students brought in there, all those are going to be erased. So you'll want to make sure that if you're going to be switching from room to room during a lesson, you keep all that stuff in mind. Cool? All right. Next time we're going to get into some fun stuff. We're going to bring in some 3D objects, and I'm going to show you how to work with those. So see you guys next time.